This is Aaron Tureau doing a video demo of Alexa.com for Dr. Van Scotter's 4118 Web Analytics class. In this video, I will be showing all functionality of the analytics tool that Alexa.com provides. So to start off, we'll go to the site. Alright, so this is Alexa.com. The first thing you can notice whenever you're here is they have the top three movers and shakers. These are the top three sites that are moving up and down the most in rankings within the last month. As you can see right now, there's theplanet51.com, Pillsbury.com, and BlackFriday.net. They're the ones that have, as I said, moved the most in the rankings that Alexa has offered. You can also look up a site here or up at the top right here. One of the problems that Alexa.com has with its information, though, is that it only does a lot of full information for the top 100,000 sites. It does have some limited information for the top 1 million sites, but anything past that, it has little to no information. But the sites that they do have up, they do update every 5 minutes, so it is up to the date data that is done through Alexa.com. The next thing we can talk about here is the hot topics. These are the top searched terms on searching sites like Google and Yahoo and Bing. These are the ones that are being typed in the most out of any keyword within the past month. After that, after the month, they don't count them anymore, and it just keeps on fluctuating throughout the time. Right now, Tiger Woods is apparently a very popular topic, seeing as he's going through controversies right now. Next, here we have the top 10 hot pages. These are the top 10 pages, the most pages that are being viewed the most right now. And this is the past month, and these are also updated every 5 minutes. So if we come back 5 minutes later, these may not be in the same order, and they may also not even be the same links that are up here. For each of these, if you want more links, or more, if you want to know like the top 200, then you can click this more button. Also, they do indicate whether the site is new to the top 10, just like this number 10 is actually new to the top 10, and they'll show you that. This is all really good information just to keep up with, but it's not as helpful as a lot of the other things that Alexa will show you. Once again, you can click on more or whatever that you want to get more information. We can click on the top sites. This actually shows the overall top sites, the things that the sites that people are on the most. They give a list here of the top 500 sites, but you can also get the paid version where you can go here and get the top 1 million sites, all updated daily, all top of the line information. But you really, for our purposes, we're just going to do the free version, since that's all we really need for for me to show you all of the capabilities of Alexa. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of these sites to be the site that we'll look through for all of the functionality. We can go with, let's see, we can go with MySpace or Facebook. We'll do Facebook. Click on Facebook up here. Also, they have the link down here if you wanted to go to the actual site. This link also brings you to the actual site. Or you see, we could have gone here or here and typed in the name of the site, and it would have brought us to this place also. Here it shows the number of rankings and reviews of the site. You can click on this and get the reviews of the site and what each person giving the review ranks it. This also shows the Alexa traffic ranking. This is the ranking that, like we showed before, the top, where they show the top 50. This one actually goes, and if it's past the top 50 or something less popular, it actually goes up to, as far as I've seen, up to 2 or 3 million sites that they rank with Alexa traffic ranking. They have the rankings for the United States, since Facebook is primarily a United States site, or a site that's based in the United States, or this is the United States version of the site. You can also click on this and it'll show you sites that are on different for different countries. They show the number of links in the site. This is the whole site itself, how many links it gets from other places to go into Facebook, and Facebook of course will link back to them, and it shows you when it first came online. Now whenever you open up a site, or whenever you click on a site and show the type it in and get information, you're going to start off with this information. It's the daily reach. It is the number of the percentage of people that actually got on Facebook out of all users of the internet. Out of all the people that use the internet, this is the percentage of people per day, per week, per month, and per 3 months that got on Facebook. And you can go and click on this if you want to say you want the max, which is actually the year, trailing the 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, 1 week, and it'll show that. As you can see, Facebook's actually doing pretty well for itself, which we're about a little less than a third of every single person, so 1 in every 3 people are actually getting on Facebook every day. It's pretty good. If we want to, we can see how they rank around the world, and that actually shows a bunch of countries here and how they rank. When we scroll down, it actually shows the same thing as above, but for each different country. And then they have here, as we go further down, where they're coming from to get on Facebook, and where they go, where people go on Facebook.com, the different places that, once they're on Facebook, the different pages that they go to. And here is the average loading time and the number of sites that are slower than this based off of the entire internet. So Facebook is not